What is up, guys? Today we're back with another cooking tuber video. Today we're gonna be finishing the last two parts. Yeah, let's go. What's this? I showed them that. Oh, never mind. Let's show them that. Here we go. That's one part 6. So yeah, this is good. That was actually part 5 last video. I just didn't know. Let's go. It is 45 levels in one thing. That doesn't look good. So hard. Okay, that's really hard. I'm guaranteeing it. Without burning a dish. Okay. Ooh. Forget it. I want to do it. Go to the next level. Oh my god. Yo! Dude, I went real dirty there, dude. I went dirty on that one. Working extra hours. I don't even know what does that mean. Okay. Buy some more things. I upgraded tomato and upgraded reservoir. Upgraded tomatoes. So let's go. Yo, that looks bloody cold. Those are the coolest tomatoes I've ever seen. Double stack. Jeez Louise, that was a lot. GG. 3-star on the way. Oh, extra 30. Alright. Let's see what that means. We'll see 1,000 coins for 30 cash. Okay. That's pretty cool. We got 1 key. Wow. Okay. Let's buy more upgrades. Gotcha. Didn't buy anything at all. I'm gonna finish this whole series first. I'm gonna off-cam camera and grind for the bakery. I'm not gonna build the bakery. I'm just gonna save it up. I'm just gonna save it up. Let's just save it up so I can get it. Just gonna repeat some games. Probably the next level. Probably the easiest. I mean the hardest. So I can get more coins there. But hey, just because it's the hardest, it doesn't mean it gives you more coins. Wow. Okay, 3 stars. Would like to get 3 stars. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna buy anything because I can't buy anything. Actually, I can. After this, we cannot buy anything anymore. So yeah, let's just make our last buy. Joey, grind for the bakery. Lettuce leaves. Oh, that felt good. Okay, let's go to the last level here. At the end of the video. Okay, wow, this was a fast video. 10 minutes. Anyways, guys, I gotta go now. Let's get a tip first. Before I get that a bonus. Sheesh! Okay, that was a lot of bonus. Anyways, guys, I gotta go now. See you guys in another video. Let's go. Oh, skip him out. Okay, we're just gonna buy that. Anyways, guys, I gotta go now. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.